What is the Battle of Austerlitz? Do you care? Yes, you do. Let me tell you why. The Battle of Austerlitz, also called the Battle of the Three Emperors, took place on December 2nd, 1805, the final battle in the War of the Third Coalition, and one of Napoleon's greatest victories. Despite being outnumbered almost 2-1, he dealt such a crushing blow to the Allies that he was able to force Austria to agree to his peace terms, and temporarily kept Prussia out of the anti-French alliance. This historic battle took place in Moravia, present-day Czech Republic, and was partially initiated by Napoleon crowning himself the King of Italy earlier that spring. This annoyed the reigning powers in the rest of Europe to no end, and, to their minds, justified the forming of the Third Coalition, which included the nations of Prussia, England, Austria, Russia, and Sweden. Now, it is my great pleasure to be joined today by the historian.
Yes, I am sure that it is a great pleasure for you to have me.
Yes, well, we are talking about the Battle of Austerlitz today.
Yes, I know. I just do not care. What? I am French.
I know that Father asked you to be here today, so if you don't want me to get him involved, I suggest you do your job.
No. That will not be necessary. I will grace you with my knowledge.
See that you do.
You know what the difference is between you and me, brother? You use big words to hide your insecurities, whereas I use big words to show my intelligence, no? Haha, I am just kidding, brother. Now let's see. Ah yes, the Battle of Austerlitz. The three emperors involved were Napoleon Bonaparte of France against Emperor Alexander I of Russia and the Holy Roman Emperor Francis II. But there was another player who could have changed everything. Mikhail Kutuzov was the commander of the Russian army and was a brilliant strategist. He recognized that he should not engage Napoleon in one large battle, but was overruled by the young Emperor of Russia, Alexander I.
Oh, that impetuous progenitor! Such precipitous fatuousness!
Anyways, in truth, Mikhail was so afraid that he would be blamed for the coming defeat, he pretended to sleep through the entire battle planning session.
Oh yes, I remember now. But it didn't do him much good now, did it?
No, not at all. He was blamed for the defeat anyways. Alexander never truly forgave him despite his many victories.
Well, it looks like my time is up. If I had more time, I would tell you interesting facts about Austerlitz, like, during the battle, the Allies lost fully 1/3 of all of their fighting force, 38,000 men, whereas France only lost about 1/10 at 9,000 men. Now it's your turn. Do you believe that the Battle of Austerlitz exists? Partake in this survey and let your voice be heard. Let me know in the comments what you think, but if you try and tell me that Napoleon was short, I will kick your butt. Cheerio, what? Till next time, for destructive creativity, I am the narrator.
Don't you know that I am better than you because I am French? Brother, there is too much je ne sais quoi and soup de jour in your wine. The bouquet is offered. I don't even think this is wine. It smells like fruit punch.